Okay. We got through April tax filing deadline, and that's pretty exciting for me because I've got a mix of people who really can get filed. They've got money on the table, and I'm pushing. So are they, I guess, to be fair, but I really am to get those refunds. So they're seriously filing, and then I've got a whole bunch of the rest of us in business where we ain't thinking about filing. We just trying to get an extension filed. That's it. We're not even in the headspace to think about taxes yet. So it's real. It's real. And as I've done this over all these years and worked with so many different types of people, the individuals and families, but also the businesses, the people with very legitimate side businesses. They have strong W 2 income, the doctors, but they have also got strong business on the side. So they've got that mix of needing the deductions as well. Matter of fact, that's the whole incentive a lot of times is to reduce their taxes. That's brilliant. That's how it should work. So we got through the deadline, but we're still in Dreamers. You've heard me talk about Dreamers Cohort. We've been showing up every week. So this is your last opportunity. If you've been hearing about it, seeing it on social media, maybe this is your first time hearing about it, everything is there. I've even got 4 little clips from the sessions at the bottom of the page that you can kind of get a feel of how the sessions went for month one. Month one is all about the personal. And oh my gosh, the testimonies that I'm getting on the side, I'm gonna put it in writing so we can start promoting from it about just I used to dread going to the mailbox. And what am I going to hear from IRS? Because we got the taxes caught up or because they understand the transcripts already told them what's out there. Whatever it is on the services side, but also from our Dreamers cohort. Just really exciting month of April. So as we go into May, we're going to be setting up accounting systems. We're going to now put systems in place where there is no system in place because a lot of people filed extensions in my client base and just overall because they didn't have accounting systems. They need to have something that automates the grabbing of deductions and gives them those totals so they could give it to me so we can file. That holds up so many tax returns every single year because we don't have all our deductions. We didn't have a system catching everything. So that just so happens to be what we're covering this coming Saturday, May 2nd, 8 a.m. Eastern Time. We're going to be setting up our accounting systems together live, going through it, setting up our systems in real time. So if you're someone, if you don't have an accounting system yet, here's your opportunity. Get the accounting system set up. Get this behind you so it doesn't go into next tax season where you're still dealing with the same problem. Because can I just tell you, I know this too. Once summer hits, you're probably not going to set it up. Once fall gets here and we're going back to school and it's all the rush to get back to work, you're probably not setting it up. Then after that's over, guess what's facing you again? The extension's coming due. I already know it. We're 2 weeks into the extension already. Time is flying. So let's get these systems set up. Let's get an accounting system in place. Now, you may be saying, I don't need dreamers. I don't need 3 months of dreaming about a business. Okay, fine. You will have an opportunity to set up your accounting system live with me, with a CPA, the following week. Same setup. It's going to be a lunch and learn. We're going to be doing it at lunch before May 15th. I got to look at the dates. It's got nothing to do with Dreamers, but you'll have your system set up. You'll be able to go ahead and get your taxes filed. Wouldn't that feel great to just get taxes behind you, but also know you've grabbed everything because technology did the heavy lifting? Technology does the work. It does the totaling, so you don't have to sit there and key punch and all that stuff. Technology is doing it. We've got nice, clean reports to back up what's on the tax return. Wouldn't it feel great to just get that handled by the end of May? Because this is like my cutoff for my own clients. If we're going to file, we need to get it done by May 31st. By the end of May, we need to get it done. That's going to be it. Now you're really on your own all summer to get your system in place, to get your deductions. Come on, let's just do it together. It's more fun together anyway. Okay, we can have our lunch and we're doing it in the middle of the day. I want to get through our dreamer session first, and then we'll announce. I'm going to do it 2 weeks in a row, just in case you can't make it the week I announce. I'm going to do back to back. So you'll have 2 opportunities on the CPA side to get an accounting system set up with me. Think about that. Again, if you're doing accounting the old way, it's probably got you behind. Things are moving so fast now. It's hard to keep doing stuff the old way. Back to me with getting mail and having to open my mail and stuff like that. Times have changed. Let's get with the program. Let's let the program help us get this done. So I'm going to wrap this up. Dreamers.yourmoneydr.com. You want to join us in Dreamers if you need help with your personal finances. I'm telling you, it's like a 2-for-1. You're getting business help, as I just described, because month 2 and moving forward is all about the business and Dreamers. We're done with personal, but you will have access to everything we did. The worksheets, the recordings, the replays. You can bring yourself up to speed on your own. You'll be a part of the community room, so you can ask questions for anybody just starting. So it's a great opportunity to get both sides handled. If you're struggling in any way on the personal side and your money's invisible and you want some visibility on it, what's going on with my household? And Dreamers is for you if you need that accounting system. I already said enough on that. But also, you're trying to grow a business. You're trying to build something real. Month 3 is all about more technology. All the tools that I use, CRM, digital cards, email marketing, automations that literally are cranking out emails. So we're going to be learning that in month 3. I'm going to be sharing everything that's worked for me. Lots of things out there, y'all. So many. Every time I look up, there's another this, there's another that. Dreamers is about me cutting through all the noise and showing you what worked for me, how I was able to go from just a couple handful of clients to 50 in 6 months and over 250 in 2 years in 2 states. I'm showing you what worked for me and still works for me. Lots of stuff out there. Dreamers is about Mildred Dillon CPA, founder of The Money Doctor, showing you what worked for her. And we just celebrated 20 years Money Doctor. So I think I know a little something about what's going on out here. Even as, because I'm a technology person, I'm still staying on top of the AI and what's going on out there because I'm genuinely interested in it. Because if you're not passionate, it's going to be hard to stay on top of your game if you're not passionate about it. So I am. I care about business, I care about numbers and money, and I care about technology. All 3 together, you're going to get in Dreamers. But if you don't need that, join me at mdilloncpa.com. Go to the 1099 taxes help tab. Because if you're getting a 1099, this is for you. You may not realize it. The folks just put you in business, whether you realize it or not, if you're getting a 1099 and not a W-2. So I get into that more in Dreamers and in some of my other posts. But keep in mind, if you need that accounting system, we've got you covered, either on the dreamers.yourmoneydr.com side or on mdilloncpa.com. All right, I'm going to wrap this up. Thank you so much for being part of the listening audience here. If you haven't subscribed yet, would you please help us out? Please subscribe. If you know you've been listening consistently, it just helps us grow. Leave a review. Let us know how you're feeling about these episodes, if they're helping you, what you're learning, how they're helping you on your journey. Would appreciate you so much if you do that. Share it with your family and friends. I'm going to go ahead and sign off and say make it a great day, especially for your money. I'll see you on the other side of month 2. This episode is a video episode. You can catch it on our YouTube channel, Your Money DR.